So right now we're working on putting this laminate flooring down. So when you come to a door jamb, I'll show you a simple way to go about cutting these. I'm going to be using a rigid multi-tool. Looks like a 1-inch flat blade on the end of it. So you're just going to need a piece of scrap flooring. It doesn't really matter, you know, how big of a piece, just so that you would be able to line up right along here. You're going to put that in there, set your multi-tool over the top of it. So, well, you got a nice straight piece of trim down here, and then you'll be able to see your laminate flooring will slide right under there. So after I make my cuts to the next piece, it's actually going to go all the way around this, but just in essence, it will slide right underneath there. And then you can put your tapping block on the edge of it, lock it in.